This is everything I ate in my short trip sa Siargao. Sa eroplano pa lang, kumain ako ng green peas with dried mangoes from Philippine Airlines. Lumipad kasi ako via PAL from Clark to Siargao. Right after landing, we went to Lamari for late lunch at kumain ako ng grilled tuna steak na sobrang lambot at filling. Plus point sa ambience ng lugar. Hindi namin pinalampas ang Siargao favorite na Bravo at sobrang dami naming kinain. Appetizer pa lang, panalo na. Standout sa akin ang cauliflower bites at patatas bravas. Panalo rin yung house salad nila. Among the dishes, nagustuhan ko yung teriyaki chicken kasi very flavorful at hindi manipis yung cut ng manok. Winner din ang slow-cooked coconut pork curry na imamatch mo sa parata. Lahat ng dessert, sinubukan namin pero ang pinaka-paborito ko ay ang blueberry cheesecake. We had a complimentary breakfast from our hotel Caracoa. Sakto lang yung beef tapa nila, something that energized me para sa island tour namin. For our lunch, may boodle sa Daku Island from our island hopping trip na nabook namin through Guide to the Philippines. Ang daming fresh seafood like shrimps, lobsters, tahong, at may grilled pork pa. Ang sarap din ng fresh fruits. Umulan lang after our island hopping trip kaya naman perfect na may palugaw yung Caracoa Hotel. For dinner, pumunta kami sa Harana Surf and we had one of the best meals I had in the island. Ang daming sinerve pero ang o-orderin ko ulit pagbalik ko dahil sobrang sarap ay ang lumpiang Shanghai, bangus sisig, pork sinigang at beef kulma. And before our flight back, dahil ang flight namin ay Siargao-Clark via Philippine Airlines, nag-brunch kami sa Trogon's Perch and I had ham and cheese truffle. Sobrang sarap. Short lang yung trip ko at sinulit talaga namin yung food trip.